Over time, a film of black residue will appear on your burner, which is a carbon left over from the combustion of bioethanol fuel. When the fire is off, room temperature and empty, use a vacuum cleaner for general cleaning to remove any dust or stay fibers. Brush the black material gently from the vents and the sliders towards the bottom inside of the burner. Use the vacuum cleaner again to remove residue you've brushed inside the burner. Using a dry towel or similar material, rub the stainless steel cleaner onto the stain area of the burner in the direction of the grain of the steel. It is recommended to test a small area first to ensure the cleaning product chosen is appropriate and will not mark or damage the surface. Repeat this step using a clean piece of cloth until the discoloration is removed. You may use the same stainless steel cleaner with a scoring pad or other slightly abrasive cloth. It is critical that you only do so gently and only in the direction of the grain of the steel. You could create scratches on the surface otherwise. Wash the burner with mild dishwashing detergent to remove all traces of the stainless steel cleaner cream, then thoroughly dry. Once the burner is dry, use stainless steel cleaning wipes and rub lightly over the surface of the burner. This will remove any remaining finger marks or smears from the stainless steel surface. To clean the inside of your burner, wash the burner in hot, soapy water and rinse thoroughly under running water. Our burners are also dishwasher safe. Make sure you place them upside down and with the lid open. Let it dry on a tea towel overnight before replacing in the unit.